Since April until June, I've been trading Dogecoin and AMC options on Robinhood. Today, I am finally cashing out that money and buying one of the bikes I have always dreamed of owning.
I want to congratulate Michael, aka Dankwheelie, on the purchase of his...
Yay! I got a new bike. Let's start the video.
Conscious.
Bye. Greetings, fellow Danksters. I'm Dank Fam, it's your boy Mike Diesel. And before we start this video, I want to go ahead and let you guys know what's going on. Basically, my boy Andrew started from the bottom, now we're here type situation where I had a couple bikes when I met him back in, I think it was like 2014, 15, something like that. So anyways, he started with a couple bikes and I've known him ever since all the way up until this day. Off and on, we've been hanging out and stuff like that. But this man finally has got to the point where he's building this huge dealership. One funny thing about his dealership and having it throughout the years is I don't think I've ever bought a bike from him. Since I've never bought a bike from my buddy, and he's starting up a new franchise for KTM, Yamaha, and Indian. You guys know that I sold the CRF 450L. If I didn't really explain it to you guys, I'll just make this quick little 1-minute video wrapping it up and explaining. So we got Zap here, he's gonna go ahead and test ride it, give me his opinion. If he says it sucks, your boy ain't buying it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and test ride it after him. And if everything goes well and I like it, I'm gonna sign some papers and take her home. So now that we have that caught up, the reason I sold the 450L was just kind of move on from there, and I lost the trust in that bike. And since then I've been looking for a new supermoto or dirt bike or something to get started. And I went ahead and visited my boy Sweet Tea out in Washington, DC, and he let me ride his dirt bike on the first dirt bike track I've ever ridden, which is Bud Creek Motocross track, I want to say it's called. And that thing was insane. It's basically this pro level dirt bike track that's on video games and stuff like that, and I was scared shitless. I guess being a pro stunt rider, riding a dirt bike on a dirt track for the first time and being so amateur to it, and just everything just being super scary and like a new rush for me, even being so experienced on a street bike, I got hooked immediately and kind of really been thinking about getting a dirt bike ever since then. So since my buddy's opened this KTM dealership and I'm doing a stunt show here soon, the first thing I want to do is go ahead and get a new bike, and I was between Yamaha and KTM since those are the two bikes that he carries. Realistically, if you guys are into dirt bikes, you kind of know those are like the two top dogs when it comes to like street legal dirt bikes and power and stuff like that. So I was thinking Yamaha because they're a little bit more reliable from what I hear. KTMs, they get newer technology and blah, 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 so they're just as reliable possibly nowadays. But the KTMs are just a powerhouse of bikes. They're just straight race bikes with headlights attached. Whereas Yamahas with their street legal dirt bikes, they kind of make some changes to the engine and whatnot. And they're still respectable, powerful bikes on the street, but you want a KTM if you just want straight brick house out the box. So that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna go over to the dealership. So out of all these bikes I'm about to show you guys, comment what bike you would grab personally, and we'll find out what I grab in just a few.
Pop out at your party, I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery, so tuck your chain. I'm a killer, God, I'm sorry, but I can't change. We ain't aiming for your body, shots at your brain. We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing. It's a lot of animosity, but they won't say my name. Them killers rock me, little nigga, don't get banged, cause they'll do that job for me while I hop on the plane. She don't like her body, left the doctor with a new shape. Blowing up my phone, cause she just see me with my new babe. Heartbreaker, ladies love me like I'm Cool J. She was trying to cling on to a nigga, but it's too late.
Yo, what's up, dude?
Welcome. Come on in.
Mr. Moramoto out here.
How you doing?
Good, good. Okay, okay. Here we go, here we go. So as I said, people, we got some Yamahas all spread out. We got the jet ski. Some Indians. Most of the Indians are next door, as you guys seen. It's all getting set up. We got some sold bikes here. Wait a minute. There she is, people. 21 KTM 500 EXC. Been wanting a KTM for a minute, people. The most versatile street legal one, I would say, minus like the 300 two-strokes. So I was on the fence between the 300 two-stroke or the 500. So I went ahead and just went with the 500 since I'm more used to the four-stroke and it's kind of up my alley. But that's her, people. Got the gray bits on the back. Super tiny gas tank over here. I'm obsessed with the orange. Alright, am I free? I want to get yelled at. Look at you trying to get, what up? Ooh wee. What kind of tires we got on here? Continentals. Come on, KTM. Did me dirty. That's that, what are those tread? Damn, got the boss man putting it there for me.
We've both grown, and it's been a pleasure to watch you grow, Michael. I want to congratulate Michael, aka Dankwheelie, on the purchase of his KTM. Woo!
Yeah! It's me. I got a new bike. Start the video. Thank you guys. He's already practicing.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. I'm so excited. Oh man. All right, thank you. Comes with its own little binder. Look at this. That's all mine.
All you, man.
Ooh. I thought you had. I thought this was like your binder. Like,
nah, man, that's all you.
You're like, yo, I got some stickers laying around. If you're a newbie KTM ass wants some. Wow, how snazzy.
That's your toolkit.
Wow. I'm not gonna name any brands, but my last dirt bike didn't come with any of this. I want some extra.
Taking care of here.
Woo! Alrighty guys, so I got the bike and I'm gonna load it up and all that good stuff, but the camera's starting to get hot. I'm still getting used to it. Bear with me on filming and good stuff like that, but we now have a supermoto in the making, I guess we could say. But I kind of want to try out the dirt tires. I'm not in a rush to get rid of the dirt tires, especially telling you guys that I was gonna go ahead and try to get the dirt riding again. Let me know what you guys think of the new bike, and I'll try to get a first ride video in this, so it's just not me going and picking up a bike. We'll have some riding footage too. Stay tuned. Peace. Yes, thank you so much, my man right here, for getting it done. Thank you, sir. And thank you, sir, so much. Moramoto made it happen, people.
I want you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak. I want you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat.
Alright, let's quit toying around. First start up here for myself. My God, people. My orange deserves to be outside at all times. Wow. So we got the Brembo hydraulic clutch right here. Never had a bike with a hydraulic clutch, so I'm really excited to see how that works out. Yeah, you guys probably laughing in the comments. Nice Brembo front master cylinder for the brakes. Really nice shock system off the rip. Got the Brembo foot brake caliper. Gorgeous, man. Sound to it. This is a thumper.
Light it up, let's get Chinese eyes, man. Hold on, man, I got the new shit right here, man. Oh, that's right.
Mixtape coming soon, man.
Great time.
Yeah. What'd you think of the KTM?
I like it.
Yeah. It's pretty. So it's a racy bike, though, huh?
It's too much power for me, yes.
Yeah, she sits kind of aggressive. You look good on her, though. We're out here, the scragglers, the last of the remaining few. Mr. Photogrammer out here.
My chest hurts.
Yeah.
I used to all this.
What is
Got
that?
in a bar fight, man. Someone said Dogecoin's not gonna hit $1. Come up.
Damn, role model. Got all the gear on tonight. Got all the gear on tonight.
No control, baby. Hold a muscle. Chest.
I gotta work on that zoom action.
Got it. So what does that little stick do? Just like record? Or is it
Uh,
a zoom thing too? Like a digital zoom?
No, it doesn't it's not compatible with that, but it does start and stop, so I can use that.
That's pretty cool, man.
Does other shit too, I don't remember.
What do you want me to do? Want me to do like a sit down wheelie?
Yeah, whatever you want. Just follow your heart.
Heart says I should be trading some Deutsch.
Oh no!
Blow this motherfucker up tonight.
Oh boy.
We pop out at your party, I'm with the gang, and there's gonna be a robbery. So tuck your chain, I'm a killer, God, I'm sorry, but I can't change. We ain't aiming for your body, shots hit your brain.